I came for the fishing, you know? And then all the other stuff that you find along the way just makes it that much better. Literally, it's just like treasure around every corner. You don't know what you're gonna find, and when you do, well, it makes it all worth it. Good morning, guys. We've now made it to day 4 of my Algonquin trip. As you can see, it's already raining. I've been up since about 4:30, just eating my breakfast, packing up all my gear. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. Last night there was like an owl that was just going off. I tried to get some soundbite on my GoPro, but I'm not really sure. The audio isn't that great on those. But I was listening to it for like 30 minutes. I was like, man, I should probably get some sort of record of this. And then, of course, it only did it about 3 or 4 more times, and that was it. But yeah, I'm expecting a lot of rain today, so I'll be strictly GoPros all day. And yeah, we've got 4 lakes to go through, and this will be the last night. So kind of a little bit depressing at this point when it comes to the end of these trips, but I'm also ready to go home and have a shower. So anyways, I'm gonna finish packing up, get this tarp taken down, and then we're gonna hit the lake. The loons were back this morning. That thing was actually so close to me, it's probably hard to tell because it's on a GoPro, but it was like 10-15 feet away, just swimming by. Pretty cool. All right, we're officially back on the water. It's just a light rain right now, which kind of has me excited. Sometimes this can be the best fishing, is when it's just a little bit of drizzle. Also, I apologize for the audio in advance. Sometimes it sounds like you're muffled underwater, and that's because this week is full of water. So, anyways, let's get on with the day. This is the type of portage we need. Would you look at that? The other lake. Alright guys, I'm on one of the portages here. The water's probably pretty loud, but yeah, I thought I'd get the big camera out and get some footage of this waterfall, but look at this bridge. That is a well-built bridge for a portage in Algonquin. I went down to that lower end of the waterfall to get some footage of it, and I was thinking to myself, man, there probably hasn't been many people down here at all. And then I turned around and I seen that sock hanging in a tree. I left it because, you know, everyone's lost a sock before, but yeah. Anyways, also I just thought I'd get some clips of the moose tracks there just by the water. I seen a bunch yesterday on that last portage. I don't think I mentioned it, but you could see it had been like sliding and stuff through the wet leaves. It's pretty cool to see. So many moose tracks. We just need to actually see a moose. Ooh, that was close. Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh. Okay then. So one of my favorite things about canoe camping is the mysteries along the way, the hidden treasures. I just came into that lake here and came into this one bend, and all of a sudden there's this beautiful waterfall just there. Unexpected, it's not marked on the map. And that's the little things you don't know. You don't know what you're walking into when you get into it. And if you can't hear, I got another waterfall I'm about to check out. But like, I came for the fishing, you know? And then all the other stuff that you find along the way just makes it that much better. Hard to put into words, but literally it's just like treasure around every corner. You don't know what you're gonna find, and when you do, well, it makes it all worth it. that was honestly so cool. Today, 3 friggin' waterfalls, and they were all epic. This trip has been so amazing, from the fishing, the scenery. I don't know how well I've captured it on the camera, but in my mind, this trip will be with me for a very long time. Especially because of my next decision. So I've been dreading the last day. I had about 1/3 of the whole route is in the last day, and I can't stop thinking about it. And now I'm deciding to do it all in one day. So about half the loop I'm gonna do in one day. It's about noon right now, so it gives me about 9 hours of daylight to finish this. I think I can do it. I'm pretty determined I can. So I'm gonna push forward. If I have to stop somewhere and set up my tent, I will. But yeah, I'm gonna get this over with. I couldn't imagine just sitting at camp for 9 hours and then trying to sleep after that. So we're gonna move on. Wish me luck. Oh. Well, here we go. No we don't. No we don't. Come on. There it is. There it is. Handy feature of the kayak paddle. All right, guys, let's do this. I may not be doing much fishing on this section of the trip, but the scenery is unreal. There's the 4th waterfall today. I don't know how many more I'm gonna see, but they've all been wicked. None of them have been subpar by any means. So hopefully there's no more portages. I think we're just paddling from here on out. So I've got a lot of miles to put between. I hear another waterfall. Maybe there's another portage. All right, that waterfall wasn't quite as exciting, but I'm gonna have to put this camera away for now. If this river is like this and there's a ton of portages, I've got a lot of work ahead of me. My map is so far zoomed out, I didn't even see this one on it, so who knows what else is ahead of me. This is like so sketchy. Okay. Yeah, that's that kind of beaver dam I like. Just right on over. All right, I'm pretty sure I've said this in the past, but this feels like you're going on a little go-kart track made for canoes. Just in this little creek, paddling around all these curves and bends. It's pretty cool. It feels cool. I don't know. Being in a big water, you don't feel like you're moving sometimes. Here, you're always just chasing the next corner. Oh, gotta love a good headwind. See it, that's not great. That water is really moving. And this is like a shelf. Oh my god. Oh no, we're okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Yeah! Okay, that's so fun. I was a little nervous for a second, but that was awesome. No! Oh! That was a nice fish. Fuck. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's a nice brookie. It's a nice brookie. No way! Yes! Okay, chill. Chill. Okay, guys. I just stopped at the little water runoff here down in the creek, and look at the brook trout I just caught. I was expecting maybe dinks were gonna be in here. Every cast, I'm getting a bite, and this fish is absolutely beautiful. Had to hide my face there. But yeah. No! Oh my god, that was back in the water. I'm gonna take some fish home with me, because why not? Look how beautiful this fish is. Perfect eating size. Healthy fish too. Almost lost it. Yep. No way. Another one. Yeah. Another beautiful little brookie. Well guys, that was a crazy couple minutes of fishing. Like every cast, a fish was biting at me. I ended up getting two, one good sized one, then that little one. I don't know if it was just the same fish and I just couldn't hook up or what was going on, but I kept casting here for the last 15 or so minutes and not another bite. Anyways, that is the cherry on top of this trip, because wow, I really wasn't expecting to catch anything throughout this creek system. Like, obviously I had hopes, but I had accepted that it might not happen. So wow, what a trip. Wow.
all those people looked at me like I was some crazy man. Which I guess you would when you got a camera and a tripod set up in a little canoe with so much gear in it. They're like, where is this dude going? Well, if I only knew. Oh. Fishing spot. Alright guys, I made it through the creek system and now have made it to one of the major lakes here in Algonquin, just off Highway 60, and I've got whitecaps. It's a big lake and I am uncertain I can actually cross this. I'm going to try to ride the shoreline over here and see what I can do. If not, I'm just going to have to shore up and suck it up. But I've got to get this canoe organized before I even attempt this. Alright guys, I'm heading into the lake here now. I got white caps. As you can see, I put the life jacket on. Not too sure what this canoe can handle, but we are about to find out. This could be a very long paddle here. Across the lake. It was definitely not an easy feat. It's probably as much as I would ever try in this canoe, but it handled it really well, and I moved at speed, honestly. I don't think I could have done that in the right canoe. I think the wind would have took me, and it would have took me so much more energy to get across. So I'm impressed by that, but I still have another big lake to cross. So I'm hoping the wind is in my favor this time around, but honestly every lake I've been on, I feel like I've had a headwind on this trip. Anyways, on we go. Alright guys, I'm almost there. I'm running out of daylight. The rain has started. I'm so hungry. One more lake, let's go!
All right, guys, I made it to the truck. I gave it pretty much all I had there. Oh, now I gotta load the thing up. Well, guys, as you can tell from the video, I got back way too late to try and film some sort of outro. And not to mention, I was completely exhausted. I got on the water before 7 that day, and by the time I got back, as you could see, it was the last sliver of light. It was around 9 o'clock at night, and the entire day I pushed myself, whether I was paddling or portaging. I mean, I did take a few breaks to cast the line, and thankfully I caught those last brook trout, but other than that, it was pedal to the floor. Let's see if we can make it home. Yeah. But this whole trip, honestly, was almost perfect. The weather was great, lots of rain, but it's to be expected, but no bugs, and then the fishing was just perfect. Honestly, going in, I just hope that I can catch a fish, and then to catch a number of fish, especially that one brook trout was so beautiful, and then the lake trout was such a bonus, because I hoped that it would happen as I went through those lakes, but it wasn't something that I truly expected, and it was such a treat. And then that last brook trout, of course, just I had accepted that day that I wasn't likely going to catch a fish, and to get that last hurrah was it was perfect. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for all the support. The channel's been getting a lot of support lately, and everyone on social media just commenting and the positivity behind it. It's just been really exciting to be making videos again. I know I took a little bit of a break last year, but to come back and have the channel just doing well it's really good. And I've been just getting so much positive feedback, whether it was on social media, but a lot in person as well. Just people talking about the videos, wanting to see the next one. It really gets me motivated to get out and make some more, and you know, it feels good to hear that people actually want to watch. And especially if you're watching right now, as we probably up to 30-minute video, you guys are the best. I truly appreciate everyone that you know, takes the time to sit and watch my adventures. So yeah, as I said, this is probably one of the best ones I've ever been on, and I'm excited to get out and film some more. But until then, just keep going, one day at a time.